Hello everyone, Pamela Curtis, House and Gardens. I just took a fresh batch of wild Maine blueberry muffins out of the oven. Homemade, natural and organic ingredients, and I'm going to post the recipe for you all at my website, so stay tuned. Also, I will be doing more in the kitchen, and I'm looking really forward to that. But I thought I would start off by introducing one of our family favorites, and that is Maine Blueberry Muffins, the Maine Wild Blueberry Muffins. If you have any questions, you can leave those below. Have a wonderful day, everyone.